derivative of the function in parametric form. Okay, so given let x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. Okay, now x is equal to f of t, differentiate with respect to t on both sides. That becomes dx by dt equal to f dash of t. Say equation number 1. Okay, next one, y is equal to g of t. Again differentiate with respect to t on both sides. That becomes dy by dt equal to g dash of t. Say equation number 2. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. That becomes dy by dt and whole divided by dx by dt is equal to, what is dy by dt? G dash of t. What is dx by dt? F dash of t. So that is equal to, now dx cancel, dy by dx is equal to g dash of t divided by f dash of t. Okay, exercise 5.6 first problem. X is equal to 2at square, y equal to a into t raised to 4. Okay, take x is equal to what? 2at square, differentiate with respect to t. So t ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ t ಅದು, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ with respect to t ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, dx by dt equal to 2a constant take outside and derivative of t square becomes 2t. Okay, that is equal to dx by dt equal to 2 to the 4at. Okay, say equation number 1. Next, y is equal to a into t raised to 4. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So that becomes dy by dt equal to a into, what is the differentiation of t raised to 4? 4 into t raised to cube. Okay, that is equal to dy by dt equal to 4a into t raised to cube. Say equation number 2. So next what? Okay, so equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So that becomes dy by dt and dx by dt equal to, what is dy by dt? That becomes 4at cube divided by 4at. Now a get cancel, 4 get cancel, 1t cancel, that becomes dy by dx. Okay, here dt cancel, dy by dx is equal to t square. Question number 2, find dy by dx. Given x is equal to a cos theta, right, y is equal to b cos theta, right. First to take x is equal to a cos theta, right, x is equal to a cos theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta, variable is theta, dx by d theta equal to a is a constant. What is the derivative of cos theta? It becomes minus sin theta. So that is equal to dx by d theta equal to minus a sin theta. Okay, let's say equation number 1. What is y? Y is equal to b cos theta. Then differentiate with respect to theta. That becomes what? Dy by d theta equal to b. What is cos theta derivative? Minus sin theta. So that is equal to dy by d theta equal to minus b sin theta. Say equation number 2. Now equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So that becomes dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta and divided by minus b sin theta. Here sin theta cancel, minus becomes plus, that is equal to a by b, and d theta cancel, then dy by dx is equal to what? A by b. Question number 3, x is equal to sin t, comma y is equal to cos t. Find dy by dx. Now x is equal to sine t. Variable is t is there. Differentiate with respect to what? Differentiate with respect to t. So that becomes dx by dt equal to what is the rate of sine t? You know, cos t. Okay. Next, y equal to cos 2t. Then differentiate with respect to t. So that becomes dy by dt equal to what is the rate of cos minus sine 2t. So cos t and cos t again by chain rule again derivative of what? 2t. So that is equal to dy by dt equal to minus sine 2t and again derivative of 2t becomes 2. That is equal to dy by dt equal to minus 2 sine 2t. Say this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Again same method, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So that becomes dy by dt and divided by dx by dt is equal to what is dy by dt? Minus 2 sine 2t divided by what is dx by dt? Cos t. So that is equal to minus 2 sine 2t formula what? 2 sine t into cos t, okay, divided by cos t. Now cos t get cancelled. Here dt cancel and dy by dx is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 sine t. Question number 4, x is equal to 4t and y equal to 4 by t. Okay, right. Let x is equal to what? 4t. Differentiate with respect to t is variable t. That is equal to dx by dt equal to what? 4. Derivative of t becomes 1. So that is equal to dx by dt equal to what? 4. Say equation number 1. So next, y equal to what? 4 by t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Dy by dt equal to 4 constant take outside. What is the derivative of 1 by t? 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, like that, minus 1 by t square. So that is equal to dy by dt equal to minus 4 by t square. Say equation number 2. Okay. Now equation number 1 divided by equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So that becomes, what is equation number 2? Dy by dt equal to minus 4 by t square and divided by what? 4. Okay. Then 4 get cancelled. That becomes dy by dx by dt. So dt get cancelled and dy by dx becomes what? Okay, minus 1 by t square. Question number 5. X is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta and comma y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Okay, right. Now take x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Now dx by d theta equal to what is the derivative of cos theta? Cos theta becomes minus sin theta. Minus what is cos 2 theta derivative? Minus sin 2 theta. Minus becomes what? Plus. So by chain rule again derivative of 2 theta it becomes 2. Okay, right. So that is equal to dx by d theta equal to what? Minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Say equation number 1. Okay. Next, y equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. Now differentiate dy by d theta equal to, okay, a is a constant, derivative of 1 becomes 0 plus derivative of cos theta becomes what? Minus sin theta, bracket close. That is equal to dy by d theta equal to what? Minus a sin theta. Okay, right. Say equation number 2. Equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, that becomes dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, okay, is equal to minus a sin theta and divided by minus sin theta, okay, plus what? 2 sin 2 theta. Okay, so dx by d theta. Here d theta cancel and dy by dx is equal to minus a sin theta divided by minus sin theta plus 2 cos 2 theta. Question number 6. Okay, see question number 6. X is equal to a theta minus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. Now x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. That becomes dx by d theta. A is a constant. Derivative of theta becomes 1 minus derivative of sin theta becomes cos theta. Okay, right. Say equation number 1. Next, y is equal to a into bracket what? 1 plus cos theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. That becomes dy by d theta equal to a is a constant, take outside. Derivative of 1 becomes 0, constant, plus derivative of cos theta becomes what? Minus sin theta. Right? Okay. Now dy by d theta equal to, okay, so minus a sin theta. See, say equation number 2. Now equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. Okay, what is equation number 2? Dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. It becomes what? Minus a sin theta divided by a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, right. Here a get cancelled and d theta cancel. Dy by dx is equal to minus sin theta and divided by what? 1 plus cos theta. See, okay. Now the formula posterior trigonometry. Sin theta becomes 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay. Next to cos theta formula. Cos theta equal to, right, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 take this side, that becomes 1. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. Replace that value. Dy by dx is equal to, what is sin theta? Okay, sin theta becomes what? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by, okay, what is 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, here 2 get cancelled. 1 cos cancel. What is the remaining term? Dy by dx is equal to minus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Okay, so is equal to sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 means what? Tan theta by 2. Question number 7. X is equal to sin cube t divided by root of cos 2t, comma y is equal to cos cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Okay, so ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. x is equal to ಏನಿದೆ? sin cube t divided by root cos 2t. Okay, now apply u by v formula here. So with respect to t, dx by dt equal to u by v formula, you know that root cos 2t as it is, and derivative of what? Sin qt. Okay, right, minus sin qt as it is and derivative of what? Root cos 2t. Okay, divided by v square. V square means what? Root cos 2t whole square. Okay, right. Next, dx by dt equal to root cos 2t and derivative of x cube is 3x square, means 3 sin square t. x cube ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, x cube ಇಲ್ಲ, x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇದೆ. Again derivative of sin t becomes what? Cos t by chain rule, minus sin cube t as it is and derivative of root x. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root cos 2t. root x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, root x ಇಲ್ಲ. In the place of root x ಏನಿದೆ? cos 2t ಇದೆ. So again derivative of cos 2t becomes what? Minus sin 2t. Okay, cos t ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, cos t ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ derivative ಮಾಡೋಕೆ 2t ನ, that becomes 2. Okay, right, divided by square root, square cancel, that becomes what? Cos 2t. Right, next here e2 becomes cancel. Next, that is equal to dx by dt is equal to, okay, So here root cos 2t is a LCM. Take first root cos 2t is a LCM. Multiple this here. Root cos 2t into root cos 2t becomes what? Cos 2t. Okay. First write 3. Next remaining term sin square t into cos t. Okay. Next here minus minus becomes plus sin 2 sin q. Okay, 2 cancel agide. Sin qt into sin t. Okay, again whole divided by what? Okay, cos 2t. So that is equal to dx by dt equal to, okay, 3 cos 2t into sin qt into cos t plus sin qt into sin t sin 2t. Okay, divided by, okay, take this side, root cos 2t into cos 2t. Okay, right. So next what? Dx by dt equal to, okay, take here sin square t is common factor, so remaining 3 cos t into cos 2t. Okay, plus sin square t outside, that becomes what? Sin t into sin 2t. Okay, so divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. So that is equal to dx by dt equal to sin square t, next 3 cos t. So cos 2t formula, okay, in terms of sin, that becomes what? 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay, next plus sin t, and derivative of sin 2 formula, sin 2t formula, 2 sin 2t into cos 2t, cos t. Sin 2t formula is 2 sin t into cos t divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. Now take here cos t is a common factor, that becomes sin square t into cos t. Okay, that is equal to 3 inside, 3 2 is 6 sin square t. Okay, next plus cos t outside, 2 sin t into sin t becomes what? Sin square t divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. That is equal to, okay, see, that is equal to here cos t and inside sin square t, that becomes what? 3 sin square t. Okay, next only sin t inside madi. Okay, remaining sin t here only. Okay, so that is equal to, okay, must simplify. Sines, can I write this becomes sin t into sin t, sin square t is there, into cos t, that is equal to 3 minus, okay, minus 6 plus 2 becomes what? Minus 4 sin cube t divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. Right, now inside only sin t, that becomes sin t into cos t. Okay, only one sin inside ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube, okay, sin cube t, okay, divided by what? Root cos 2t into cos 2t. So that is equal to, okay, dx by dt equal to sin t into cos t, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t is formula, sin 3t. Okay, divided by, okay, divided by what? Root cos 2t into cos 2t. say equation number 1. Okay, next y equal to cos cube t divided by root cos t. Okay, same singular method. Dy by dt equal to root cos 2t as it is, and derivative of what? Cos cube t minus cos cube t as it is, and derivative of what? Root cos 2t. Okay, and divided by root cos 2t whole square. That is equal to dy by dt equal to root cos 2t and derivative of cos x cube 3 cos t into, again derivative of cos becomes minus sin t, that bracket minus cos cube t, and derivative of root x becomes 1 by 2 root cos 2t. Okay, right, root x and root x illa cos ide, that becomes minus sin 2t, and again 2t derivative becomes what? 2. Okay, divided by, okay, square root cancel, cos 2t. Okay, right, that is equal to dy by dt equal to, take the LCM here, e2 to get cancel. Okay, root same method, root ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root cos 2t is LCM into cos 2t. Okay, ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that becomes cos 2t. Okay, 3 cos t into minus sin t. Okay, here minus minus becomes plus, so 2 to get cancelled. What is remaining? Cos cube t minus sin 2t. Okay, take the next one is 3 cos square. Same here, take cos square t is common factor. What is the remaining term? Minus sin t into cos 2t. Okay, right, here minus minus plus already, so plus cos square outside. What is the remaining? Cos 3t into sin 2t, cos t into sin 2t, divided by what? Root cos 2t into cos 2t. Now that is equal to cos square t into minus sin t, cos 2t formula in terms of cos, 2 cos square t minus 1. Okay, plus cos t sin 2t formula, 2 sin t into cos t. Okay, divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. Okay, right, next take common factor again, sin t here, take outside, that becomes cos square t into sin t into, so what is the remaining? Minus 2 cos, minus inside, minus 2 cos square t minus minus plus 1. Okay, next minus minus plus 1, next plus, okay, sin t outside becomes what? 2 cos square t. Here 3, okay, 3 here miss 3 and 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 again 3, 1, 3 into 1 becomes 3. Okay, divided by, so correction output, divided by what? Root cos 2t into cos 2t. So that is equal to minus 6 cos square t plus 3 plus 2 cos square t becomes, okay, right, cos square t into sin t, that becomes, okay, first write 3 minus 4 cos square t. Okay, divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. So that is equal to 1 cos inside ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos t into sin t, cos inside ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 cos t. Okay, minus 4 cos cube t, okay, divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. Okay, next to dy by dt equal to cos t sin t. Okay, what is cos 3 theta formula? 4 cos cube, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 cos cube minus 3 cos ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು cos 3t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ cos 2t into cos 2t. Say equation number 2. Equation number 1, okay, this one, right? Equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, that becomes dy by dt divided by dx by dt equal to, what is dy by dt? Cos t sin t minus cos 3t, okay, divided by, what is divided by what? Root cos 2t into cos 2t. What is dx by dt? Equation number 1, that becomes sin t cos t, okay, sin 3t divided by what? Root cos 2t into cos 2t. Here cos 2t cos 2t cancel, and sin t cancel. So what is remaining? d ki dt cancel, dy by dx is equal to minus cos 3t divided by what? Sin 3t becomes what? Minus cot 3t. Question number 9, x is equal to a sec theta, y equal to b tan theta. Okay, now differentiate with respect to d theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a, what is sec there to? Sec theta into tan theta. Okay, say equation number 1. Then y is equal to b tan theta, and derivative dy by d theta becomes what? B tan theta derivative becomes what? Secant square theta. Say equation number 2. Equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, so that becomes dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta equal to, what is dy by d theta? B secant square theta divided by a sec theta into tan theta. So here one sec get cancel, so d theta cancel, dy by dx is equal to b by a into sec theta into tan cot theta. Now question number 10, x is equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta. Okay, variable theta with respect to theta ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, dx by d theta equal to a constant take outside, derivative of cos theta becomes what? Minus sin theta. Okay, now apply u into v formula here. Theta as it is, derivative of what? Sin theta plus sin theta as it is, and derivative of theta, d by d theta of theta. Okay, right. So next, that is equal to dx by d theta equal to a minus sin theta plus theta, derivative of sin theta becomes what? Cos theta plus sin theta, derivative of theta becomes 1. Okay, next here plus sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled, and dx by d theta equal to a into theta cos theta. Say equation number 1. Okay, next y equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta, that becomes dy by d theta equal to a constant. Derivative of sin theta becomes cos theta minus u into v formula. Theta as it is, d by d theta of what? Cos theta. Okay, so minus 80 plus cos theta as it is, d by d theta of theta. Okay, right, that is equal to dy by d theta equal to a into, okay, cos theta minus theta. Cos theta becomes what? Minus sin theta. Minus minus plus agutte sin theta. Plus into minus again minus cos theta. Bracket close. Plus cos theta minus cos theta cancel, and dy by d theta equal to a theta sin theta. Okay, say equation number 2. Right. Equation number 1 divided by equation number 2. So now already equation number 1. Equation number 2, sorry, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Dy by d theta and divided by dx by d theta. It becomes a theta sin theta divided by, okay, a theta cos theta. Here a theta cancel, so d theta cancel, and dy by dx is equal to sin theta by cos theta becomes what? Tan theta. Question number L1. If x is equal to root a raised to sin inverse t, y equal to root a raised to cos inverse t, show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Okay, right. So x, yes. So x is x into y ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, x into y, it becomes what? A raised to sin inverse t into, okay, a raised to cos inverse t. That is equal to x into y is equal to root a raised to sin inverse t. So bases are same, then power must be added, cos inverse t. That is equal to x into y equal to, so a raised to, okay, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x in trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, that equal to pi by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. X as it is, dy by dx, plus y as it is, derivative of the x, u into v formula. This is a constant, a constant, pi by 2 totally, this one is a constant. Relative constant becomes 0. Okay, that is equal to x dy by dx plus y derivative of x becomes 1, okay, is equal to 0. X dy by dx equal to, take this side, this becomes minus y, and dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Example 31. Find dy by dx if x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. X is equal to a cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal to a, derivative of cos becomes minus sin t. Okay, so then dx by d theta equal to minus a sin theta. Say equation number 1. So next y is equal to another a sin theta, differentiate with respect to theta, that becomes dy by d theta equal to a constant, derivative of sin becomes what? Cos t. Say equation number 2. So equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, that becomes what? Dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta equal to a cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. So a get cancelled, cos theta by sin theta becomes what? Cot theta, that becomes minus cot theta. Okay, here d theta cancel, and dy by dx is equal to what? Minus cot theta. Example 32. Find dy by dx if x is equal to 80 square, comma y is equal to 280. Okay, simple. Take x is equal to what? 80 square, differentiate with respect to t, dx by dt equal to a constant, derivative of t square, it becomes what? 2t. Dx by dt equal to 280. Okay, next y equal to what? 280. Now differentiate with respect to t, dy by dt, 2a constant take outside, derivative of t becomes 1. So that is equal to dy by dt equal to 2a. Say equation number 1 and say equation number 2. Equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, that becomes dy by dt divided by dx by dt equal to 2a divided by what? 2at. Okay, here dt cancel, and dy by dx is equal to 2a cancel, that becomes what? 1 by t. Okay, example 33. Find dy by dx if x is equal to, okay, x is equal to another a theta plus sin theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Dx by d theta equal to a constant, theta derivative 1, sin theta derivative becomes what? Cos theta. Okay, say equation number 1. So y equal to another a 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dy by d theta equal to a constant. Derivative of 1 becomes 0 minus. Derivative of cos theta becomes minus sin theta, minus minus plus ಏನಾಯಿತು sin theta. That is equal to what? A sin theta. Say equation number 2. Now equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So that becomes dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta equal to a sin theta and divided by a 1 minus cos theta. Okay, right. So here he get cancelled. Now sin theta becomes formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Right. So 1 minus cos theta becomes what? So already discussed madidini 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. See, cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 cos theta form. Take this side. 1 plus cos theta equal to what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, right. So here d theta cancel and dy by dx is equal to, here 2 get cancelled, 1 cos cancel. What is the remaining? Sin t by 2 divided by cos t by 2. Sin t by 2 divided by cos 2t by means what? Tan t by 2. Okay, and dy by dx is equal to what? Tan t by 2. Okay, last one, example 34. Okay, x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. Delta of x raised to n is, okay, n into x raised to n minus 1, 2 by 3 minus 1 plus, again x raised to n derivative becomes what? N into y raised to 2 by 3 minus 1. X raised to n anta nenla again ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ derivative ಮಾಡಬೇಕು dy by dx is equal to a is a constant, derivative of constant becomes 0. Okay, next. Okay, 2 by 3 x raised to, okay, this becomes LCM 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 y raised to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು again minus 1 by 3 dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, this term take that side, that becomes 2 by 3 y raised to minus 1 by 3 dy by dx equal to minus 2 by 3 x raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, next, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 x raised to minus 1 by 3 and whole divided by 2 by 3 y raised to minus 1 by 3. So here 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, and dy by dx is equal to minus x raised to minus 1 by 3 divided by y raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, next, dy by dx is equal to minus, this term take denominator, this term this take this side, that becomes y raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 1 by 3. Then dy by dx is equal to minus, can I write y by x raised to 1 by 3? That is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x,